perfect example of this early morning toms being henned up and those hens feeling pressured when another hen tries to intrude and lead him off away. So I guess we're going to try to find another bird or something.
I don't know what, I mean, I really don't know which way to go.
Well, this goes just for a little ways and ends. It doesn't end, but it gets. Well, just stay tuned, guys.
Alright guys, it is the evening of, what is today, the 21st. We've been after them all day. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but we got up here to roost some birds, and Taylor accidentally set his car alarm off. As soon as his alarm stopped, these birds started gobbling. You may be able to hear that, but
There's
they've
no way.
They've not stopped gobbling since his car alarm went off. So,
Maybe that's the trick. Maybe that's what we've been missing.
he is killing it. He sounded like about halfway.
There's one down in there.
We've got 2 birds roosted here. We're going to be after them in the morning, but these might not be the only ones here. This is a spot we've never turkey hunted before. We've deer hunted here before. Seen a lot of turkey signs and things like that. So we decided to just come up here and see if we couldn't roost one, go somewhere new in the morning. Not seen much for vehicle tracks, other people hunting up here, anything like that. He is still hammering down.
That's a different one.
But we're going to see if we can't get these birds located, and we'll be try to get up right up under them in the morning.
Right up under them.
Yeah.
In the bedroom.